Royel Otis' cover of White Flag by Dido is played with the capo on the second fret. We're going to be using an A minor chord and an E minor chord for the verse. For the strumming pattern we have down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. This is played twice for the A minor chord and twice for the E minor chord. So we have down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, E minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Straight away after the verse we have a little link section that takes us into the chorus. It is a G chord for 2 bars, D minor for 2 bars, and E minor for 2 bars. And the rhythm is pretty much exactly the same except for the last beat on the E minor chord. So G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, play twice. Moving to that D chord, same rhythm again. And for the E minor chord it's the same, it's down, 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 up, down, and then the last beat, down, down. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. And the whole link section, G for 2 bars. D minor 1 bar. E minor. For the chorus chords we have F major 7 for 1 bar, C over G for 1 bar, D minor, going to A minor, both for 1 bar. We then kind of repeat but with a different ending, so it's F major 7 for 1 bar, C over G for 1 bar. This time we'll go to a G and finish on a D minor, both again for 1 bar each. And the rhythm is exactly the same again. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, C over G, D minor, A minor, F major 7, C over G, G, D minor. So the whole chorus. For the mid 8 at 2 minutes and 4 seconds, we have 2 bars of C over G with the normal strumming, E minor for 2 bars, normal strumming except for that last beat with the down up, down up, 2 bars of D minor, normal strumming, and finally 2 bars of G, normal strumming until the last beat again, which is down